Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super simple and delicious vanilla cake recipe. Let's get right into it. I started by breaking 4 eggs into a bowl and added my sugar. Mix and add 1 cover of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. I'll be using Simas butter for this recipe. Just add your butter and mix everything together until it's completely combined and smooth. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of flour with baking powder and baking soda, just the right balance to help the cake rise and stay fluffy. Then I added the dry mix into my wet batter and gave it a good mix. I took a moment to tidy up a bit before I continued mixing. In a cup, add 2 spoons of milk, a little water, mix it and squeeze in half a lemon. After letting it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, it thickened beautifully. This acts just like buttermilk and it adds a lovely softness to the cake. I poured it into the batter and mixed everything together until it was smooth and creamy. For my pan, I greased it with butter, dusted it with a bit of flour all around, then poured in the cake batter. Give it a gentle tap to reduce any air bubbles. This goes into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Your kitchen will smell amazing by then. And here it is, golden, soft and so tempting. You can enjoy it just like this or top it with your favorite frosting. Thank you so much for watching. The full recipe is in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes.